Hey everybody, it is KratosBI. It's late and you're working hard on something, and all of a sudden you get that dreaded message. Your capacity units are all out. What do you do? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly go into Azure and upgrade the capacity units on your capacity so you can keep working even though it's very late. Let's get into it. All right, do that, like, subscribe, all the YouTube stuff. Become a member, $5, get early access, do that. All right, so you've been working like crazy hours. Oh, where am I on this? You've been working crazy hours. You're working on getting you're working on your data warehouse, trying to get that up and running and all together, and you run into some issues, and you need to upgrade your capacity because oops, you're out of CUs. You say to yourself, "Oh no, what am I going to do? This is super hard. I don't know how to do this." Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay. So I go into my Azure portal, right? This is just portal.azure.com. I find the fabric capacity that's an issue. So Eagle, in this case, let's say Eagle was the issue that I had. I would click on Eagle. I click on the name of the capacity, whatever it happens to be, right? And that comes up. I go over to this little scale button on the side here. Let me zoom over to it. Good. Click on change size. And then, oh, I'm at an F2 and I must be out of capacity units. So I'm going to scale that up to an F16 because that's where I want it to be. I'm going to click on resize. Okay. Now I pay for this stuff, so I'm not going to actually do this. Well, actually, I'm going to do it. You know what? I'm tired. It's like, I don't know what time it is in the morning, but it's late. I've had to show people how to do this all day today, and someone didn't know. So this is your video. So if you're in IT and someone's trying to ask you to scale up, that's it. I've just scaled it, right? So now my capacity is done. You saw the message. Maybe you didn't because I had an icon up there. Here's the message. Successfully scaled capacity a few seconds ago. Okay. Yay. And then all I have to do to go back, because now I went from paying $300 a month or $260 a month to $2,000 a month. All I do to go back is I select my F2, hit resize again. It runs, and now I'm at my lower capacity unit. Look, it's successfully done. See? Successfully scaled the capacity size to F2. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that neat? Isn't that super difficult? I kind of kid. Short video. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, leave comments. You guys know what it's like, right? You're working late, you try to validate stuff, something's just not right, so you have to keep running your full loads and stuff like that because incremental's not doing it, and you just blow out your capacity. These things happen, right? Happen to me, they happen to you. This is what you do when you run into that issue. So I hope you found this useful. I'm going to bed. Good night. No, that didn't end it. Why didn't it end it? Stop it. All right. And I get this is hard. I've been through all the stuff. I've been through the hardness, and if you're it's too much for you, give me a holler. Myself or go over to bakertilly.com/digital, fill out the little like need help form. Myself or someone else will reach out and give you a hand. But if you think you can do it, and I have faith in you, click on this link or this link and watch one of these videos. It'll be good. It'll be pretty good, I think. I'm tired. It's late. Bye.